So again, enumerations, they're fixed upon compilation. Now that's not to say they're not flexible. You know, within code, you're always thinking, oh, I don't want to make this hard-coded. I don't want to make this hard-coded. Well, you know, at the end of the day, there are so many situations where you would want enumerations, particularly things like marital status, or maybe what kind of type a thing is. Like, for example, you may have a product, a concept of a product within your code, and you might want to differentiate what a product that is downloadable from a product that is physical. And although you can solve that problem using a variety of different constructs in C#, enumerations are particularly suited for those kinds of operations. Enumerations are also used in finite state machines, which finite state machines, by definition, are state machines that have a finite amount of states that don't change. And a state machine is just the concept of a piece of code that loops over and over and over again, and it knows what state it's in, and it changes its behavior based off what state it's in.